Nuhoo was born in Lagamite, East Hargay Zone, but he moved to Qeerroof with his family at the age of 5. Nuhoo had a natural talent for singing and art at a very young age.
He started testing his vocals at madrasa by adding lyrics and changing the rhythms to manzuma, for which he got in trouble with his teachers.
He dedicated his life to raising awareness and awakening the consciousness of his people, becoming one of the most beloved household names in Oromia. Widely admired for his distinct ability to articulate and amplify the Oromo experiences through art and music.
Nuhoo song laid the foundation for contemporary protest songs in Oromia, inspiring, exhorting, and agitating fellow musicians and Oromos to do what's necessary, and to liberate Oromia from the dark depths of prejudice and secret political emancipation of the Oromo.
Artist Nuhoon sagalee isaa kilolee saniin Oromiyaa faarse. Tokkummaa gorsee Oromoo onnachiise. Yoo xiqqaatee dhaloota sadii qaree qabsootti bobbaase.
Artist Nuhoo Gobanaa erga biyyatti deebi'ee dhibeen itti hammaatee sababa wal'aansa gahaa dhabeen qabsoo fi wallee isaa akka duraanii itti fufuu hin dandeenye.
Arsaa isaanii fi qabsaa'onni sabaa kuma kitilaan kafalanii bakka qabsoon irraa kaatee fi bakka qabsoon irra geessee jidduu imalli isaan jalqaban fagoodha. Hamma kaayyoon isaanii galma keessatti qabsoon ittuma fufu.
Imalli bara jireenya Nuhoo Gobanaa imala qabsoo fi qabsaa'ota Oromooti. Roorroo alagaatiif harka hin kennu jedhee qabsootti makame.
At every opportunity, in speech and gesture, Nuhoo had one request for the Oromo, Takuma Jabesa, strengthen your unity. During and the immediate aftermath of Oromo protest, Nuhoo saw his dream fulfilled and marveled at the state of Oromo people.
Nuhoo Gobana dedicated his life to strengthen the virtues of Oromuma and Tokuma. Nuhoo leaves a legacy behind that will help strengthen, unify, and inspire both the current and future generations.
Artist Nuhoo Gobana was an embodiment of resistance against tyranny. When the history of this great nation is written in the future, the likes of Nuhoo Gobana will be noted as the founding fathers who helped and shaped our nation. Rest in eternal peace, legend Nuhoo Gobana.